This is a brand new 2014 Audi S4. This car has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, a front and rear multi-link suspension, a supercharger, a sport-tuned suspension, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: 8-way power adjustable seats, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, it doesn't compromise fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.